Welcome back to day 2 of your JavaScript journey. In last session, you mastered variables and data types. Today, we're leveling up by diving into operators and conditionals, the tools that let your code make decisions and solve problems. By the end of this video, you're able to write dynamic, interactive programs. Oh, don't forget to smash that like button if you're ready to take your coding skills to the next level. Let's start with operators. These are symbols or keywords that perform actions on values or variables. Think of them as the verbs in your JavaScript sentences. There are 3 main types of operators you need to know. Arithmetic operators handle math operations. For example, here 5 plus 3 assigned to some variable. Also 10 minus 4 assigned to difference variable, and you'll see the output. Comparison operators check if 2 values are equal, greater than, or less than each other. They return either true or false. Logical operators and, or, and not help combine or negate conditions. For example, here we can use 2 ampersands to combine conditions, and it returns false if just one condition is false. Otherwise, it returns true if all conditions are true. In the other hand, we can use 2 pipes as or to combine condition, and it returns true if just one condition is true, and it returns false if all conditions are false. Now that you know how to compare values, let's talk about conditionals, the way your code makes decisions. The most common conditional statement is the if-else block. Here's how it works. Basic if statement. If a condition is true, execute some code. Otherwise, do nothing. If-else statement. If a condition is true, do one thing. Otherwise, do something else. Else if for multiple conditions. For more complex scenarios, use else if to check multiple conditions. If you're enjoying this step-by-step breakdown of JavaScript, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss day 3. And give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and keeps the lessons coming. Now it's time to practice what you've learned. Open up your VS Code and let's try these examples together. Create 2 variables and try to use arithmetic and comparison operators. Try to create 2 true or false variables and use logical operators, all kinds you've learned. And for last example, try to create grading system with conditionals. Feel free to experiment with different values and see how the output changes. Coding is all about trial and error. Which part of today's lesson was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss day 3 or any of our upcoming lessons. Until then, happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.